Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator, with this week's Monday morning message. Here today with week 2's results from the middle school pie contest. Attendance is looking solid in all grade levels, but I think we could get it even higher. Here are this week's results. With 8th grade still in first place with 55% participation in all learning labs. In second place, 6th grade with 38% participation in their learning labs. And in third place, 7th grade is at 31% participation in all of their learning labs. So, as you can see, 8th grade is still in the lead, but 6th and 7th grades are still going strong. Attendance rates did drop a little bit from week 1, so I urge you to message at least 2 of your classmates who don't normally attend learning labs and encourage them to come this week. Round up your classmates and get them to learning labs. Moving on to the second part of the contest, pacing in your classes. Most scholars should have completed all of Unit 1 and be about midway through Unit 2 in your courses, around Lesson 7 or 8. With that said, we currently have 70% of all middle school scholars who were within 1 week of that benchmark. That is down a little bit from last week, but still very strong. Keep up the hard work. A quick tip to ensure that you stay on pace. Talk to your homeroom teacher or class teacher about what you need to do to either catch up if you are behind or stay on pace. They can help you identify which assignments to focus on each day. You can also do this yourself by looking in your course dashboard and finding the areas of focus section. You can also sort your gradebook by date to determine what to do each day. Keep up the great work attending learning labs and staying on pace. Have an engaged week and good luck to all grade levels. Bye-bye.